Recently, I was able to onboard 7-day Mexican cruise on Norwegian Joy cruise ship. We had a great time. Today we're staying at room 5120. We're staying at the window cabin with king-size bed. It's a very nice big-size room for a cruise ship. You have one outlet right there. There's a phone. You could buy it from Amazon. You could use that to plug it in. Now you have 4 outlets. Okay, we also got this extension plug. 2 outlet plug with the USB. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plugs you can use, and then a couple more USBs. Underneath the desk is your mini fridge. A mini fridge is not free. They charge you each item separately, just like hotel. One thing I like about Norwegian Cruise is that there's a lot of storage area in the room. There's a little safe here. You can put your valuables here. Okay, here's the TV, and top of the TV there's more storage room. On the bottom there's some shelf for more storage. And here's some more storage. Okay, when you first walk in the door, you'll see this little thing there, the master part control. You're supposed to put a key card in there when you come in the room and take it out when you leave the room so that you conserve energy. Okay, here's the bathroom. Bathroom is a pretty nice size. Under the sink, there's more storage. Shower is surprisingly roomy. So for bathroom, there's only one outlet, which is on the way at top, and this outlet is not that great. It's one of those outlets that does both European and American outlet. So best way to handle this is buying a European converter like this. Yeah, that's right. And then you could use outlet easily with all the different outlet types. There's a lot of lighting in the room. They even have a little night light next to your bed. Also, there's a little space underneath the bed so that you could put your luggage there and make some more space